Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind and Adventures. So today if you want to make your own electricity, it's got no links down below. We'll show you how to go off-grid one solar panel at a time. Because I live on a tight budget. Over the last 8 years, I have acquired 26 solar panels and my electric bill is substantially lower than everybody else's. But today, Gilmore's Car Museum has my interest. This is a 1919 Dodge Brothers Truxton Conversion G wrecker out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Dependable Dodge. 35 horsepower. So, isn't this beautiful? I love all these antique yet pristine vehicles. Holy smokes, look at the tire on that. It's a hand crank. Wow. Pretty amazing. Not enough light back here, but yet still beautiful. Still a beautiful truck. Thank you and have a nice sunny day.